Hello guys, how to fix if run option not showing in Windows 11 start menu button. And if you want to remove run from a start button, then here are the process. Right click on a start button and choose run dialog box. Box not available, then go to Windows search and type run. Command box. Here type gpedit.msc and click on OK. Local group policy editor window will open. Here from the left side, under computer configuration, expand administrative templates, and here select start menu and taskbar. Select it. Thereafter go to right side, and here you will find the option remove run menu from start menu. Apply a double click on it to open its properties. And if you want to remove run menu from a start menu, then choose enabled, otherwise choose not configured or disabled. If run option not showing in a start menu means this feature is enabled, so disable this feature and press apply and OK to save the changes. After that, don't forget to restart your system, because without restarting your changes will not take effect. So must restart your system and your run option will successfully on a start menu.